Welcome. In continuation of the first video we did on string, I want to see some of the methods, or you call it some of the functions, inbuilt functions that are associated with the string data type. Remember, string also you can call it a class in Python. So we have these as to do that. Remember, I told you we do the keyword there string str. Then this will give us the keywords, the sorry, not the keywords. This will give us the inbuilt functions or the methods that are associated with the class string or with the data type string. Um, for an explanation of each of these functions, use the keyword herb, then say str. str. This will give you a very detailed explanation. However, if you want to get an explanation for a particular function, you have to do it this way. Let me pick a function. Okay, upper. I'll say help str dot upper and tells me that it returns the given string, the string that has been supplied to the function. It does it as uppercase. So let's start explanation from this upper. What do you think? Okay, let's have this. I have remember I've given a variable name this good. So I can say name dot upper. It gives me in uppercase. Okay, what about if I say name dot lower, it gives me in lowercase. Okay, good. Now, like I did in the previous example or video on integer, let me do this one. We'll get the list. Let's see how we can run through some of the methods in the class string. Uh, Let me see, do this. It's a list comprehension. I'll start with this. I'm printing in string. Good. Good. Sorry, not there. I want to print, this there directory of strings gives us in a list form, so we can print them line by line. So I'll say for I in this, for each of the elements in this, or each of the items in that big list, print word. You're gonna print I. Then this gives me the list. So let me see. Let me do. Wow, where will I start from? Where will I start from? Okay. Let's do something else again. Let's do something else. Let me explain this. Upper gives you the uppercase, so you have for the lower also. If you want to join two strings together, you join. If you want to find if in like I told you in the previous video, all these methods, sorry, that starts with a double underscore, that have double underscore on both ends, they are what we call magic classes. Now, let's make example of one. This is name. I want to see if name dot contains, if name contains, as if it contains what p, gives me true that yes, there's p in the variable, in the variable name, and the variable name is holding a value which is a string called what, ham plus, and p is a character in that string. So that's what contains is used for. That's what contains is used for. Now let me do something else. Count as a name dot count. It gives us, okay, it says it takes an argument. Now what does count do? Name dot count actually, or it returns the number of appearance of that particular alphabet in the string. Now this is one, because P appears only once in the string plus. Okay, what about we get the length? We say length of name and gives us the total number of alphabets in that variable called name. I will advise you to go through the Python documentation, or you do the help and you get each of these things. If I want to go through all these, gonna have a lot of videos which will make it not interesting. So just go through your Python documentation, you get you get used acquainted with the functions and know actually what they do. So in that case, we'll be moving. Okay, let me do one before I move. I say ham plus, sorry, name dot index. What will it give me? Name dot index. What will it give me? Let me say these are index p 3. Wow! Do you understand that? It after change saying that P, the letter P, is in the index position of 3. Is it 3? Let's see. Remember, Python starts counting from 0, and generally in computer science, we start counting from 0, not from 1. So H is 0, A is 1, M is 2, and P is 3. Wow, we got it. We got it. So in the next video, I will show you some examples on what you can do with string. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Like the video, react to the video. Feel free to share, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.